Okay, so let us start now. Thanks everyone for joining. I'm sharing the screen. This demo is regarding SAP Finance and Controlling. If anyone has any doubts or queries, you can please ask. I'm sharing the screen. I'll show you the entire details here. Okay, if anybody has any doubts or queries, please let me know. Okay, wait, I'm sharing the screen. Okay, so we will learn the entire syllabus part here. Also, I'm going to show you the concepts and opportunities in SAP. Also, we are going to look at the server details for SAP S4 HANA. HANA is high performance analytic application. Make a note of it. High performance analytic application. It is called as HANA. Let us start the details here. We can define concepts and opportunities in SAP. Mainly, SAP is what? SAP is systems application and production of data processing. It's a name of a company. ERP is name of a system. Enterprise resource and planning. SAP is a name of a company. ERP is a name of a system. Mainly, it is user friendly. It is liable, easy to process. You can call it as extremely easy to process. It is affordable. Even the small scale companies and startup companies can afford SAP. Then it is accurate and instant. It is very much accurate as well as instant. It is deployed globally. It's a multi-country, multi-currency software. So it is deployed globally. Okay, it's a global software. It improves effectiveness of an organization. Your organization's effectiveness will definitely improve with the help of SAP. If in case any doubts or queries anyone has, please let me know. Okay, I'll guide you. Then next important part we'll learn. Now, everyone, please tell me which all reports we prepare in a company. What all reports we prepare? Hello. Hello, am I audible? Hello.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
sir, you
yes.
are audible.
Madhu ma'am, yeah. Swapnil ji, which all reports we prepare in a company? Tell me what all reports, the financial reports.
Currently, I am like,
Financial.
yeah, you continue.
Huh. So we generally prepare trading and profit and loss account balance sheet. So with the help of SAP, we can prepare all the financial statements and report in an organized manner, even for a specific country as well, like for US, UK, India, Belgium, Switzerland, you can see that. So here we can prepare country-wise financial statements and report. Yeah. Anyone knows what is chart of accounts? What do you mean by chart of accounts? Tell me. Chart of accounts क्या होता है? Yeah, chart of account is a list of general ledger account with the help of which we can prepare all the financial statements and reports in a country. Mainly with the help of chart of account, we can prepare liabilities asset. Together, we can prepare balance sheet, income and expenditure, trading and profit and loss account. So these are the details we can prepare here. 10-digit chart of account we can define and maintain practically as well. Okay, yes. Then we can become more organized with a better record management, improved financial reporting, and ease in the decision making process. Implement the all-in-one application for structuring and managing entire financial and accounting structure. Finance managers can compute entire financial condition of the business in a real-time basis through SAP Finance and Controlling. Next important part, roles offered to you. This is the career path for SAP consultant. Okay, so certainly we can start working right from the beginning. You can see that this is the career of SAP Finance and Controlling Consultant. You can start working as associate consultant. You can become consultant, senior and principal consultant, even solution architect as well. You can start working from junior management level, middle management level, senior management and higher management level. Even those who are freshers, they can start from entry level, intermediate level, consultant level and expert level. This is the career path and opportunities for SAP consultant. Anybody has any doubt, please let me know. Okay, yeah. So these are the roles offered to you as SAP consultant. Yes, the next important thing we will learn, and that is what are we going to learn with the finance and controlling. Finance is mainly important for external requirement. External means statutory, which is compulsory by law, and controlling is for internal requirement. Now we can prepare with finance, balance sheet, income statement, cash flow, fund flow statement, also legal and statutory account, even the standard ledger. Ledger is what? It's a secondary book of accounts, so we can prepare different types of ledgers. Master data integration with the controlling. So data integration part is also defined and maintained with the controlling. Then mainly for controlling part, we can define and maintain cost center reports, Cost center reports, sales and profit analysis, and even management accounts as well. So we can prepare all the details likewise. Okay, these are the details we can prepare. With the help of controlling part, we can prepare cost center reports, sales and profit analysis, management accounts, and managing budget expenditure. Now let us see the syllabus part. What is ERP? ERP is Enterprise Resource Planning. What is SAP? SAP is a systems application and production data processing. ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning. SAP systems application and production data processing. Even FICO. FICO is finance and controlling part we can define, and accounting entries we can define. Accounting entries are journal entries. Journal is what? It's a primary book of accounts. So we can see here as journal entries. Yeah, FB50 is the key code for the same. Huh? So we can maintain the journal entries likewise. Okay, so we can put the date here. Suppose I'm making an entry for salary paid. So how we can do that? See here, salary account debit to bank account. All the GL accounts are predefined. We can maintain them and define the entries. Every important information can be done here. Okay, किसी का कोई doubt है तो पूछो please. If anyone has any doubt, please ask. Then, apart from that, we will learn types of projects. So there are 5 different
Sir,
types.
I have one doubt.
Yes,
Can
yes.
I?
Yeah, please ask.
Actually, may I know if there जैसे मैं कुछ TDS की एंट्री छूट गई है तो मेरे को बुक करना है, तो मैं सेपरेटली उसकी जनरल एंट्री पास करके बुक कर सकता हूँ नहीं SAP?
हाँ कर सकते हैं ना, क्यों नहीं, कभी भी सर, कभी भी, एनी टाइम. Whatever journal entries you want, you can pass anything, sir. Salary
So
paid.
it will be reflected then in India withholding tax report, ना?
हाँ, correct, withholding tax, बिल्कुल सही sir, right.
Okay,
correct. Okay, and types of projects are like implementation project, development project, enhancement project, country requirement projects as well. So we need to define and maintain the project as per requirement of company. Now, this is the first topic, organization structure. इसमें देखिए हम क्या करेंगे. We are going to define company. Let me show you. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, under enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, define company. Company is a group of company like Tata Group, Mahindra Group, Reliance Group. These are the different types of companies we can define in a country or a region. Mainly, we are going to define company as per Companies Act. So we'll be defining and maintaining the company. Then after defining that, edit, copy, delete, check company code. Under one group of company, we can have different codes to be defined. Like under Tata Group, we have Tata Motors, Tata Consultancy, Tata Power, Tata Communications Limited, likewise. Even assignment of company code to company. What is that now? Assignment is basically integration. We can do that. I'll show you. Definition is creation. Assignment, here we can define. Assignment of company code to company. To enable the consolidation, ensure that each company code is assigned to a company. Every company code will be assigned to the one group of company. Assignment of company code to company we can define here. Now, business area, it's a main business of a company. Like we have a geography wise business area, product wise. Like geography means like our company's branch offices in Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, Kolkata, Delhi, likewise. Functional areas are departments in a company. So we can prepare and maintain different departments here. See, suppose we have a departments like finance, sales, purchase, production, HR. These are the different departments we can define and maintain practically as well. Then we have a credit control area. Credit control is what? It's a defining credit. See, not all the customers can get credit. We need to give credit to our super stockist or authorized distributor. Under credit control area, we can assign company code to credit control area. Also, we can define segments. So segments are like we have different segments. Like suppose our company is automobile, so we can have two-wheeler, four-wheeler, electrical vehicle, diesel vehicle, like that. Okay. So this is how in total we are going to define structure for a company, organization structure. Then now in India, what is the financial year? Tell me, anyone, can you tell me which financial year?
April to March.
Absolutely correct. Yes. So it is not just for India, but across the world, different financial years being defined and maintained. See here under the layers, we can
December.
Correct. April to March is for India. See, July to June is for European countries. October to
Yes.
September is being defined for Gulf countries, most of the Gulf countries, and January to December is for US, which is also
US.
called as calendar year. So ये सारी
Okay.
चीजें हम यहाँ पे define करेंगे. We will learn everything in detail. Apart from that, we will learn assignment of company code to fiscal year variant, open and close posting periods. Open posting periods are the period which we are going to define and maintain as per requirement. Then posting key. Posting key is a two-digit numerical key being defined and maintained as per the requirement of an organization. We also define document types, so different types of documents, like for A, D, K, M, S, like A for asset, D for debtors or customer means AR, K for vendors or creditors, accounts payable, M for material, and S for general ledger account. So different documents are to be defined and maintained as per
For
requirement.
material RE na.
Huh, correct, absolutely correct. Yes, right. So also we can
Sir, one
maintain.
more question.
Yes,
मटेरियल मैनेजमेंट में सर क्या आएगा?
मटेरियल मैनेजमेंट इसका नहीं है मैम. मटेरियल मैनेजमेंट इज अ डिफरेंट मॉड्यूल ऑल टुगेदर. हाँ, इसका हम इंटीग्रेशन देखेंगे. देखो मटेरियल मैनेजमेंट जो है ना अकाउंट्स पेबल के साथ जुड़ जाता है. उसमें मेनली आप डिफाइन करोगे प्लांट, स्टोरेज लोकेशन, परचेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. हाँ, ये सारी चीजें लेकिन हम देखेंगे कैसे करते हैं उसका इंटीग्रेशन. इसका देखो अकाउंट्स पेबल के साथ होता है. पेबल मतलब क्या? लाइबिलिटी. पेबल विल बी इंटीग्रेटेड विद एमएम, so we can define and maintain different types of this one details here. Okay, yes. So under the GL account we can define chart of account, जैसे हमने देखा retained earnings account, and mainly financial statements and journal entries as well. Accounting entries we will learn. Under taxation we will learn input tax, output tax. अच्छा, input tax क्या है? Anyone tell me what is input tax?
जो हम परचेस करते हैं वो दैट इज इनपुट
बिल्कुल सही.
टैक्स.
वाह, very good answer sir, very nice. See, tax on sales and tax on purchases. Input tax means tax on purchases which is charged by vendor. और vendor कौन होता है? Vendor is a person or a group
क्रेडिटर.
of company from whom we buy goods on a credit basis. जैसे कि domestic vendor, import vendor, one time vendor. A claim for refund of the deductible portion of input tax can be submitted to tax authorities. Input tax asset, output tax हो गया liability. Correct. आउटपुट टैक्स क्या होता है? देखिए कि अंडर सी मेनली a tax levied on customers at all levels of production and trade. अभी देखिए all levels का मतलब क्या है? Right from production to service provider to wholesaler to retailer to customer. On each and every stage of value addition, the output tax is maintained. Output tax represents a tax liability. As per the requirement, we can maintain different amount of taxes and liabilities as well. Now, input tax asset, output tax is a liability. Then apart from that, we can define and maintain GST configuration. So CGST, SGST, IGST, UTGST. Accounts payable. Payable is a liability which is integrated with MM. So we have domestic vendor, import vendor, one-time vendor. Domestic is a local vendor, import is a foreign vendor, and one-time means if the goods are not available with the domestic and import vendor, we have to go for one-time vendor as well. Number ranges we can define. Sundry creditors account also we can maintain, and we can define tolerance for vendor. Very much important. It's a limit. Also, we can create vendor master data. Under that business partner, we can maintain a business partner for a company. Automatic payment program. ये क्या है? With the help of APP, we can fetch all the due and overdue invoices for the customers and vendors and can make a payment at the same time. APP, automatic payment program. Also, we'll learn here P2P. P2P क्या है? Procure to pay process, right from purchase till the payment part. It's a 9-step procedure. पूरा हम देखेंगे इसमें. And also we will learn, as I told you, FI to MM integration, in which we will learn how to create plant, storage location, purchase organization, and there are so many things involved under integration between FI to MM. Then after payable part, we will learn receivable. Receivable is an asset. Okay, receivable is integrated with SD, sales and distribution. Mainly we have customers like domestic customer, export customer, one-time customer. Domestic customer is a local customer, export is a foreign, and one-time is a rare customer. Rarely they come to us. Create number ranges for customer, define tolerance group for customer, and create a payment term. So manual payment term, automatic payment program. Also, we can define dunning procedure configuration. Dunning is what? It's a reminder to the customer in order to make a payment on time against the due bills. Dunning procedure configuration part. Also, we can maintain order to cash, O2C, and record to report as well. So P2P, O2C, R2R, and even we will learn integration between FI to SD, in which we are going to learn sales organization, distribution channel. There are so many things involved under SD part. So we'll learn all of them together here. Also, under bank accounting, we can learn creation of a bank key, then define house bank. House bank is a bank through which we can make a payment to our customers and vendors. Global settings for EBS, electronic bank statement for a company. And treasury management, we can define logboxes. So logbox is a special depository account opened in a bank for the customers to make a payment on time against the due bills. Logbox posting data and defining the source symbols for a company to be defined and maintained likewise. Then under the asset accounting part, we can maintain chart of depreciation. It's a decrease in the value of asset due to wear and tear. It is called as depreciation. Then specify account determination, create screen layout rules, and mainly defining the asset classes. Determine depreciation areas in the asset class, and even we can maintain depreciation key as well. Okay, then also we'll learn investment management part. In that we can define investment program types, assignment, mainly different types of investment like asset under construction, investment in shares, bonds, and debentures. In detail, we will learn this particular topic. Okay, so this is the syllabus part. Anybody has any doubt? You will receive the server access for HANA, and the duration of the course is approximately 2.5 to 3 months. You will also receive notes, PPT presentation, latest SAP books. Also, we will help you to prepare for examination, your interview, and mock interview sessions as well. Okay, we have a batches on Monday to Friday, weekdays batch, and Saturday, Sunday also, weekend batches. So whichever is comfortable for you, whichever batch you feel comfortable, you can join that batch.
सर मेरे को एक क्वेश्चन था कि ये जो बैचेस रहेगी ये वीक में 3 days ही रहेगी ना?
क्या बोल रहे वीकडेज में?
वीक में 3 टाइम ही होगा ना क्लास?
हाँ. Yes, we have 2 hours batch, 3 hours batch, whichever batch you comfortable, you can join.
Okay, and mock interviews कैसे होंगे, मतलब like
after completion of the course you will be given project, mock interview सब होगा. जब जैसे ही complete होगा course तब आपको मिलेगा वो. Okay. Any doubt anyone has? So we have morning batch, afternoon, evening batches as well. हाँ, if anyone has any doubt, please ask. मैम कोई डाउट है आपका?
No, thanks.
Okay, so this is the syllabus part. As I told you, after completion of the course, you can start working as associate consultant, senior and principal consultant, even solution architect as well. This is the hierarchy of a career. You can call it as career path, SAP career path.
Okay, sir. I have one question. Like your full name, sir?
My name is Pranav Baraskar.
And what is your education, sir?
Education, I'm a commerce graduate followed by MBA in finance, and I have 15 years of experience in SAP.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, chalo. So if in case any doubt you have, you can ask me, and then we will stop here for the day. Any doubt, anyone has any query, anything which you want to ask, you can talk to your relationship manager as well, and get your doubts clarified. We have different timing of batches. As per your time convenience, you can join. We also have different trainers as well for the same. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, Stuti ma'am, any doubt, ma'am? Stuti ma'am, you have any doubt? You can ask.
No, sir.
Thank you. Okay, thank you. Have a great day. Bye. Bye. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, ma'am. Have a great day. Bye.
Thank you.